Okay, welcome back everyone. Side by side is next. Just wait, okay. I hope there is no interaction further. So, what are we going to cover today? Gold, euro dollar, pound dollar, USD JPY, dollar index. And since the stream got interrupted, I'm waiting a little bit for more users to join so that I then proceed further. So, yes, waiting a little bit for more users, okay, because when the stream starts, it sends notification to everyone, and then users click on that notification, and when they click on that notification, that stream is interrupted. So obviously, let's wait a little bit for everyone to come join us, sit right here with us, and when everyone sit right here with us, then I will proceed my topic today. I brought to you today, I'm bringing a very interesting and beautiful and nice topic for all of you. So, those who stay will not only get some good trades, but also by the end of the stream, at least I'm sure you will be going, you will be taking some learning from right here, some learning. Okay. I was saying, let's recall that yesterday's stuff. Later, then that played very nicely right here. But then I already booked the profits yesterday. See, right here. Okay. Euro USD is also on a corrective wave. This C to D is completed. See, have a look at it. As this and as this. So, congratulations everyone for the profits that you made. This, remember, it's not my magic, okay? Not at all. Plus, tell me, also tell me, how is the setup looking to you? Today, I have changed the webcam place a little bit. I hope it will also be good. This morning, it was a very good morning. And just like other mornings, it was also good today. So, I was looking at this goal early morning. And just in the as soon as the yen session closed, let me activate pen as well. $39.70 can be a good buying area, and 39 for the intraday, 39.87 can also be a good area, this one. So let's also see if we have any news or something. Most of us ignore the fundamental activities, but I say don't ever uh, uh, like don't ever skip the fundamental activity. If you are not trading on the news, first I personally recommend everyone to not trade when the news is actually going to release. But even if you are going to trade, still you will need some understanding of it. So let me quickly check Forex Factory as well. Side by side, let me activate the pen as well. I hope no interruption occurs further. Right? Just one moment. So this yesterday's candle, if you see, now this is like I should say this is a learning curve for everyone to understand these candles, because in every video I tell you this, every live stream I tell you this, every live every recorded video I tell you this, that this market is right here telling us something. Okay, even this candlestick pattern, if you see, it is also telling us something. This is us who have to decode the psychology behind candles. So even right here, if you see, right here, if you see, right here, if you see, what was this? And then what was this then? And what is this now? This is price action. Those who say price action doesn't work, how it doesn't work? Price action always work, and we need to decode this data. Okay, we need to do what? We need to decode this data. If we don't decode the data, the chances are we will always be sometimes buying, sometimes selling. So if we are sometimes buying, sometimes selling, and at bad places, we will end up nowhere. Why? Because we keep repeat these mistakes. We ignore the candles and the formation of candles. Okay, so I will be sharing with you my own plan for today. If I'm going to buy, how I'm going to buy, and if I'm going to sell, how I am going to sell. So just have a look at it. Most of the traders entered from right here. Even right now they entered, I mean today, from right here on this retest. Side by side we will be looking at the dollar index as well. Okay, so on the dollar index it has got its A to B, C to D. Why the dollar index is important, I will be discussing that as well. So A, B, C and D. And now there will be fresh traders who will be trying to take it back down to 98.92. Okay, note it down with you. So then it tells us like there are two major thought processes, school of thoughts. DXY, gold, EURUSD, some others like the GBPUSD. These are instruments and they mostly rely on the dollar index data. Yes, they do decide their directions, like mostly the big traders, the big player in the market who are trading right now. For example, if we look at this structure, what is this structure and what is the corrective waves inside? So yesterday we traded the corrective wave, okay, and not once. From right here again another one. Just count: 1 buy, 2 buy, 3 buy, 1 sell, 2 sell and 3 sell. And why? Because the dollar index, there was like this, if I simplify it for all of you, this was this confusion yesterday. Now things are clear that the dollar index is dropping. So this gold most probably is coming back down for a correction, and we need to find out corrective waves. In textbook style we call it the, in simple words we call it the pullbacks, corrective waves, retracement, and what else? There is another wave, another term for it. Yes, corrective wave or correction. Forgot the term. What was that term? There is another term. Forgot it. But anyways, upon this correction, this is 3987 approximately, and this is 3970. Now I'm coming to that other level which on the 4 hour it was showing us yesterday, and that is this. This decision is still pending, okay? 4046, and this will still be showing us this But how to interpret this data, this is we have to understand. Did you understand this daily candles by like candlestick, the psychology behind it? Understand it forever and never ever skip the daily candle reading. Each and every day when you open a chart, try to look at the daily candle, okay? So the news, we have nothing for the dollar today, and US government remain shut down. US government will remain shut down. So there is nothing for the dollar today. Okay. Coming on to your chat, if there is any, as soon as you join the stream, give me the thumbs up, okay? Because FTM Bugwa, I also try to trade. That's why I don't stick to trading view. My broker doesn't allow the trading view trading. That's why. So in real time, right here on these instruments, I do trade with all of you in front of you in real time. I keep you updated about my decisions. Remember, the brave person is that person who understands the market. Okay. Yesterday, those traders, and I clearly mentioned it, that if you are holding a sell above 39.70, one was this sell that I took. Where was that? Yesterday, sorry, it was right here. That was good. But if one was looking at completely to the sell side of the market without understanding this, obviously they did a mistake. So right now it is again dropping and we can trade it technically. But personally, I would like to see a reaction right here. This is the reaction area or zone. This is the reaction area or zone. Support, okay? This is the support as well. And even if we are today, if we are looking for further selling to target this support and this support, we need a break below from this zone. Then we can target 39.30 as well, very nicely. But today it is bullish. So if it is bullish, yesterday it was bearish, so I took a bearish trade. Today it is bullish, so I'm looking for a bullish opportunity. Simple. Keep these things simple for yourself. Just don't overcomplicate it, okay? Just don't overcomplicate it. On the H4, this momentum shows this. 4095, but maybe next week, maybe today, who knows. We have no fundamental activity today. So on the 15-minute we will be observing it. I will be reading each and every candle for all of you. And below this will be a selling zone with us below this, okay? Break below, retest, continuation. And then break below, retest, continuation. These are the real. Now if I tell you this is a level which is holding the market, and this will be a corrective wave, this will be a pullback or continuation, this is corrective, this is continuation, okay, and this is counter trend. So this level can potentially give me the whole zone is around 175 zone, but I say even 100 pips will be enough if one can get from right here. And even from right here, this is again around 200 pips of zone. So I'm looking for this buy and from this buy, and I see it may be dropping till here, but this is not a selling zone. Maybe we can look for sell, a break below, a retest, and then a continuation. Stay with me, I will be step by step updating you. We will be looking at it step by step. Did you guys made any profits yesterday? And let's suppose if it take a rejection, I will say okay, this was not my market. From right here, if it go up, I'm not trading right here, okay? This is no trading range, I should say. If we are buying, then we will be buying above this. Above this. Breakout, retest, then continuation. So this much simple it is. If one don't understand it, I'm not sure why they don't understand these simple concepts. This much simple it is. Yes, my friends. There was something in the glass, maybe. Let me drink from it. Do you guys understand something from my live stream, or I'm anyways just wasting my energy? Tell me. If there is no improvement coming in your trading, then my live streams are then useless. I took a very good trade today on dollar yen, Aussie yen today. Let me show you. Forex, let me search, okay. Miners, AUDJPY, where is that? AUDJPY. I took this beautiful trade today. Long term I took it, so this one. You see why I took it? Simply on the basis of Fibonacci 61.8. I'm sharing it with you, okay? So then later you don't say Aftab don't share his plans with us. This one I took today. So wish me good luck, okay? My stop is above the high. So around 122 pips of a stop loss can give me around 236 pips. So let's see, maybe next week it will be turned on, this trade will be on until I'm stopped out, or it give me profit. This is the pattern that is present on it, where this is called the X, this is the A, this is the B, this is the C, where has X gone? And this is the D. So I saw this reversal pattern and I decided that okay, I want to take a risk of 130 pips right here. From this point B, one of my friend already booked around 150 pips from it. But overall this pattern is active on AUDJPY. JPY, wow, the dollar yen is also seems dropping. Its ABCD pattern seems to be slightly completed. Let's see, slightly not completed. Yes, it is yet left. So maybe, most probably, this is swing low, that is swing high. We have established this as well. And now we can aim for a 61.8% retracement. And 61.8% retracement comes right here. So this whole is a trading range for those who are willing to invest on the yen. Because see, this is dollar yen, means the yen is getting stronger, the dollar is getting weaker. And on that other side, on the dollar index, it is also like this whole is a trading range. So dollar is dropping and the yen is going. So the dollar yen pair is dropping. They are mostly correlated to each other. Okay, get back to the gold as well. Let me head over to your chat if there is any. Thank you, Yopino Oentoro. Wallace Walwick, my friend, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Muhammad Saad, thank you. It's Friday, so I'm not sure why most traders didn't come right here. Let's see. This 4004 seems also a strong level, but let's see if it is okay. Wow. 4013 it can go, okay? But for some reason, maybe I might not be taking it. Unless I get a pure, clear signal. But when I get the signal, it will be already too late. See, RSI is in the middle. Then maybe above 4013 I can look for buying. Because all of these levels are, this is a buying level. This is a buying level. This is a master buying level. Okay. This one is my ideal buying level. This is scalping buy level. We have got right here the bearish engulfing as well. You know why I am saying I'm going to look for buys above this zone? Because if we see this candle, this is a bearish engulfing. Now FOMO traders, remember on this zone there are two people, two types of traders entering. Number one, scalper. Number two, FOMO. But there is a likely chance it can drop back till here. Okay, because since morning it is keep buying, 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 buying. And it like there is something there are then there little concepts inside it, little concepts. I'm aware of them, okay, because I know if I miss this one and if it go up there, I will catch it somewhere up there. Remember, if you understand this one concept, that this market is not going anywhere from our hands, this market will be keep giving us opportunities on regular basis. Have a look at it, my friends. So this is again a scalping zone. Any break above this, then it can tell us that okay, it is going back up 63 pips further. But the thing is, for now I'm not looking inside this range. This is not my range. Let me know in the chat how many of you are looking buy, how many of you are looking sell. Just let me know. On a scalping zone, this is no doubt a good scalping range. When you understand the market structure, market will be playing as this for all of you, ever and ever and ever again. Now there are traders who are looking for 100 pips. See, the level gave you 82 pips. It's okay, it was not 100 pips, but 82 pips it gave. Then those who were looking for a sell, this was a sell zone, so 30 pips till now so far. Okay, this is how it is. But I have made myself clear that I can miss out this trade, a buy from here, or I can really get it. Whatever the situation is, it will be in front of you transparently. If I miss it, I will say I miss it. Because remember, when we understand the markets, then we don't see the market as this. We don't see it as okay, we have missed this particular opportunity, we have missed it, oh I'm ruined, I'm this, I'm that, I'm that. No, if it continues straight from here, how the situation will be, there will be some other correction happening, so on that other correction I will buy. Like, I mean, no rocket science, okay. And we have to keep telling ourselves, like keep tell this thing to ourselves that okay, this market is not running short of opportunities, this market is not going away from us, it will always be giving us opportunities. But the brave trader is the one who wait for the market. So for example, today is 39.87 is my level. I am patiently waiting for it. If it come down and if it give me a good buy signal, I buy. If not, I let it go. So these are like remember, I have a few years ago, I have a friend and he used to take literally each and every move. In the morning he said I'm seller. In the London session he said I'm a bull. In the NY session he said I have lost a lot. Now shall I become a bull or a bear? And I knew that the person is now holding hedging positions. So why? So then I advised him to just don't trade that way. Then later he quit trading as well. He was from Canada. Then similarly during this 9 years I met a lot of the traders. A lot of the traders I helped, that if you are not looking the market the way it is supposed to be taken, if you are not taking the market as that, just quit. So I help traders quit as well. Now you must be saying, oh, we are here to make money, but I cannot hide it from you, because what is truth, that is anyways truth. If I hide, what will I get? Okay, and I'm not making anyone afraid of the market, but reality is the reality. I cannot hide it, and if I hide it, what will I get? Because obviously my mission is to make you guys successful in this business, in this industry. I want you guys to be capable of making the profits by yourself, by understanding of the market. And even when I grow older, you should be then mentally so strong that you will be guiding me in some way, that hey Aftab, please look at that support, please look at this, please look at that. So and I usually there are traders who reach out to me on the WhatsApp and say, is it going up or it is going down? This is the most silly question, I should say. I really hate this question, because due to this question, when everyone is new, even if I was new, I was asking this question again and again, right? But then later I knew that no, the right question is not this. The right question is, let's suppose I have to take a risk of $100 today. Pay close attention, okay? Risk. I have to look at this statement. I have to take a risk of $100 today. Shall I risk it on a sell, or shall I risk on a buy? And if I'm going to take a risk on a sell, where and how that should look like, and if I'm going to take a buy, where and how should it look like? Then I will be in a better position to answer. Now here I want to tell you something. If it closes above this, it is going till here, okay? In that situation I will miss this move. And anyways, I'm personally not looking for this sell unless it gives me a very good sign. So I'm patiently waiting for it, and I'm just showing you how I wait for the trades today. Try to read the markets again and again and again. This will be the ideal situation, and I will be looking for a buy from here till here. This much should be enough for me. If I was an aggressive trader, I would definitely be taking it till here. But I'm not aggressive. I'm not aggressive because I know that this market is going to not run out of opportunities. Every day, every single day, it will be giving me opportunities. Muhammad Abdullah, good afternoon. How are you doing? 9 viewers, just 5 likes. Why you guys are testing my patience just like the market? Don't be the market. I'm joking, okay? So, for 2 3 hours talking to you guys, so sometimes there'll be a little bit of joking as well, okay? Because I want to be like getting a little bit of frank with the passage of time to all of you, because talking 3 hours non-stop about the market can make me crazy sometimes. Let's see, this is the real test, 4013, because if this market closes above this, can make the image further to the bullish side, and in that case I will miss the move, okay? So patiently wait for it. Side by side, I'm also looking at this Aussie JPY today. The Aussie JPY is not good for scalping. I haven't scalped on this for now, but I'm holding a proper position, holding position back to 97.94. So maybe let's see if I can get a chance. I can book half right here. Try to keep, it doesn't necessarily mean that we will be sticking to just one pair forever. No, this is also a wrong concept, because what if the one pair is not doing nicely that day? So at least you should have something running, we should have something running, okay? So it is now trying to break 4013, and that will make it bullish, but let's see that H1 candle, okay? H1 is still bearish engulfing, and we cannot go bullish from this place. This was the right place, I was not looking for it, honestly speaking. This is also a right place for a sell. Anyone who is willing to take a risk, and this is not a trade signal or something. Maybe with 19 pips scalping, one can easily get 41 pips. But this is not a trading signal, okay? And if it continue further, the same 19 pips can give 87 pips. So if one is trying to target for 87, then 40 pips of a stop loss can give easily this 82 pips without any hassle. Because now we know if we are stopped out, we are stopped out, no problem. Like we trade from somewhere else, okay? Above this will be then a good buying zone, but then that will be late. This hole is the stop loss area, 40 pips. With one spike we can be stopped out, so we have to get ourselves prepared for it. But if one is just looking for one trade a day, then I will say this is not that trade, this is not that type of trade, okay? Because then this will be the right trade, and this will be the even the perfect trade. It can give, this level can give us immediately 200 pips. But like I said, can someone let me know, anyone right here in this trade as a seller? Because I no doubt as a 40 pips of a stop loss, that's fine, but still, like, I mean 40 pips, if one is looking for that one trade per day, then this is not that place, okay? Then it will be suggesting a buy. So let's patiently wait for it and then see what it gives us. I'm adding more pairs, like my strategy. I have such a strategy on which I can discuss a lot of the pairs, literally a lot of the pairs. Each and every pair I can discuss. Let's see the well, I think this 4004. Let's see then for this breakout. This is the dollar index, okay, on a corrective wave back down to 98.92. And yes, one thing I forgot. Thank you again so much for letting me know about that Euro US dollar trade. And I really appreciate you hold it for that long. I really appreciate it. But see, like you hold it, then you made profit. If we don't hold and we just say, oh, how will it hit the take profit? And we close, then this profit is not coming. We are not getting profitable further than 3rd October. This trade on the euro dollar I gave. This in the weekly forecast I gave. And right here, even before the trend line break, I said, I read the candlesticks and I have told you that euro US dollar is going to drop. If you don't believe, if you are watching me for the first time, you can watch the stream on 3rd October. Well, overall, yes, it is a buy. I'm personally looking for a buy. For an intraday, I'm a buy. We'll be adding more buying positions once this H1 candle closes as a bullish engulfing. But as far as this is not bullish engulfing, uh, on the 5 minute and 1 minute, sellers will be keep trying to sell it. Okay. And yesterday, what we saw, and what did I say right here? What was that place? It was right here. So when a lot of the bulls who entered from right here, the direction was correct, but they were stopped out, freaked out, because the sharply it was coming back down. All were with me yesterday. So they freaked out, closed their positions, got stuck. Those who waited for right here, they get it from a better price. And even in this trending up market yesterday, I took this counter trend trade. So good buying will start above 4018 and that buying can last toward 4080. Okay, from 4020, above 4020, it will be then straight bullish back to. But let's see, in 4 minutes a big volume is coming, so what are their intentions? Trying to take it back or doing what? Yes, gold. Gold is gold. Vol is vol, gold is gold. This is approaching 4082. Okay. Yes, it is. Okay. But on the lower time frames, this is what it's showing. It should break above this zone. This level should be broken. Breakout, retest, When I'm buying, I will let you know. And yes, one thing, this is a bullish engulfing. But the thing is, this buy is good for those traders who are willing to even to trade right now and who are willing to give 138 pips and as a reward want to earn 320 pips. This is for them. Because on the H4, yes, no doubt, it is clearly bullish. See, 1, 2, 3, and it came down till here and then. So 39.87 was my actual bullish zone, or a break above 4020 is my good bullish zone, right? Those 40 pips, those who are selling with 40 pips are still safe, okay? Their position is still safe and they still have this chance that they can generate 120 pips. But in 2 minutes a very high volume is coming, so maybe a one dip, or if it go continue straight up, then we just let it go, we then buy upon this retest. I remember I tell each and everyone everything very clearly in these live streams. Everything I tell you very, very clearly. Because your profit, I consider my profit. So let's see, we will be properly waiting, we will be properly confirming everything. Then we will be deciding that okay. And yes, in scalping here and there, that's good. This was actually good buy zone, but I was not prepared for it because in advance we don't know how much volume is coming, right? This was a good buy, but I couldn't take it. Now the next time if it come back down till here, maybe again I might not be taking it as a bull. Though if you see, this was my daily target 100 pips. So the overall move was more than like 120 pips, and nicely it gave a correction, but I'm not sure. I just started the stream, so immediately I didn't want it to buy. These who took with 40 pips of a stop loss are now very happy because the volume seems to be to the sell side of the market. Another retest near 404, and there is some liquidity down here as well, right here. So yes, maybe 39.87 is then possible. But I will suggest if you get this 77 pips, you just get it, okay? And don't move your stop, because if you are stopped out, just don't move it, because then I see if it stops, it will be then continuing further up. These are little tiny concepts that we need to understand. Tiny concepts. They are. Okay. Wow, the background is hidden. But there is some problem right here.